Welcome to the former Coltran Mill. The building that you can see behind us is an old mill which has been purchased by a property investor and is going to be converted into 60 luxury flats. Utility Source has a role within the scheme to install utilities to feed the new building and beyond. We have several responsibilities on this site, starting with the installation of a temporary electric supply to allow the site cabins to run during the project. In addition to the temporary builder supply, we were responsible for the removal of an old inactive transformer. Our next pieces of work include the installation of a water main which will provide water to the 60 flats behind us, and the installation of an electric service which will terminate at a BEMCO unit to enable each flat to have an independent metered supply. Throughout the construction phase, we're also working with BT Openreach, who provided us with ducting to install through the site. They'll be returning at a later date to install the fibre that will provide the buildings with a gigabit-ready broadband connection. Final piece of work in the first phase is the Section 106 drainage application. The site have located the existing drains on site, and we've completed a CCTV survey to demonstrate that they're in good working order and the size of those mains and suitability for connection. The Section 106 application goes directly to Yorkshire Water, who will in turn review the information that we've provided and give us an approval to connect to their existing network. Following the completion of the mill, there is a second phase on this site, and the second phase includes the construction of 26 new build houses. Our role within those 26 houses is to extend gas, electric and water mains through the site to allow services to be installed. For Utility Source, commercial to residential developments have become a large part of our business. We see things that other companies don't see, which will allow you to recognise and overcome barriers as we're working through the utilities on your construction scheme. Contact us for further details.